All right, guys, this smart concept, and today I'll be showing you all how I retouch this picture. Please, in case you're visiting this channel for the very first time, please, I would like you to subscribe. I would like you to subscribe to this channel, follow this channel, and like because it will enable a lot of persons to see this video. So I will show you all how I edit this image real quick. So first thing first, this is my editing process. First thing first, we're gonna remove the blemishes. Removing the blemishes, I normally use sometimes patch to sometimes healing spot healing brush. But at this point, let's use spot healing brush. So here's my spot healing brush here. So I'll just duplicate my layer. Before you edit any image, make sure you duplicate your layers. So I'll duplicate my layers by dragging the background layer to this plus icon down here. So the thing will enable me to duplicate it. So I'll just zoom in my image to remove the spot. You can see this image is sharp. I can see all the details of the skin. So I'll just be dabbing on the spot. It will be removing it for me. As you can see, just very fast and simple. So just dab all the area that has this spot. You understand? The one that are very small, you leave it those ones are like texture. You don't necessarily need to remove everything. There's the ones that are very small, and those ones that are the skin texture, they are not really spot. You just remove. So I just keep the image natural and very nice. You understand? Don't over edit it except the client want it. So you understand? For educational purpose, I'm showing you all how I edit this image. You understand? So that's just it. I'll be using the Retouch Academy. Let me see if I have it. If I don't have it, then I'll use Action here. So I'll be using the Retouch Academy. So this is it now. This is the before, after removing, and this is before removing the blemishes. So here is after removing it. So let me check if I have my yeah, I have my Retouch Academy. So I'll just use the Retouch Academy version 3. Version 3. The thing is loading, it's coming up. Let me see if I still have anything to remove around here. There is nothing to remove. There's nothing to remove. So I'll just leave this place like this. I really want to keep this image natural. I really want to keep it natural. So this place that this light falls here, I'll just remove this place. It looks like a stain was there. This one is like birthmark. So I'll just leave that one too. So just remove this one. It seems like a particle. See if she ate something and a particle was there. So that's why I just need to remove it. So my Retouch Academic has loaded. So what I need to do is just to click on the this image is 16 bits. Look at it here. So I'll just click on the 16 bits. Clicking on the 16 bits, then what I'll start click on my mixer brush. So this is my settings on my mixer brush. I normally use 30 30 30 30 or true 30 load, also 30 mix, 30 and flow. Let's keep it 32. Depending on your image, you can adjust it anytime you want. You get, so that's just it. Oh, I think I shifted the let me go. I shifted the the texture, the high frequency. So I shifted it somehow, So I think we're good now. It's just to increase your brush size according to the area you are brushing. So I'll just be very, very soft to shadow to shadow, highlight to highlight. You all know how to do this thing now. It's not everybody that know how to do it, but for you, for educational purpose and those watching this video, watching how to retouch for the very first time, or you're getting confused why retouching and all, know your shadow to shadow, your highlight to highlight. I did a full retouch video on how you can go about that. You can watch the video in the description below. You understand, my full retouching video course in my YouTube channel here. You can just go and check it out. So this is it. Highlight to highlight, shadow to shadow. You understand? So me too, team, me too. Very important. All right. No, this image won't take us time. We'll be done right away. This is the before. This is it. This is after. This is before. This is after. Just the forehead. We started with the forehead and we're trying to blend it. You get. So let's go to the chin. Okay, you're seeing it right. Shadow to shadow, highlight to highlight. You can hear my mouse clicking, right? So that is just it. Just be careful. There is what we call destructive retouching and non-destructive retouching. So you just have to be careful not to change the person's face. And at the process while you're retouching, you're changing your the brush size to fit in the area you're retouching. You will not maintain a particular size to retouch all over the image. Excuse me. So you're switching your brush sizes, you understand? You're switching it up. Very important. Okay. Now to the chin and now to the jaw side. Just being careful so the thing will not be that flat. Sometimes you might finish retouching and you don't even need to do frequency separation. I mean, sorry, dodge and burn, because you already maintain the highlights and the shadows very well during your retouching process. So here is it before, after, get. So I'll just, retouch this place, this eye back small. I'll just drag from the highlight to the shadow to fill it small. Same thing here. Just be careful and subtle with it. This picture is natural face. She didn't do any makeup, so I'm trying to make everything natural too. Okay, look at her hand here. So we just subtle, you understand? We still maintain the knuckles and all to look more natural and beautiful. So shadow to shadow, highlight to highlight, we get. So knowing your brush settings, what works for you, very important. All right, you see the neck, it's okay. I'll try to leave the neck natural too. I don't want the image to be over edited. Yeah, so I'll just blend this. I'll just use my mixer brush to arrange this place. The color varies, so I'll just blend it small, not much, but just go over it. Just trying to keep it this real. Trying to keep it real. Okay, this is how you retouch with frequency separation. This is how you retouch. So next one we'll be doing the dodge and burn and look like keeping the picture more natural and beautiful look. This is the retouching. This is the before, after, before, after, before, after. You understand? So guys, I'll see you in the next video.